Hey guys, good morning. I just woke up and ito yung, this is literally I woke up like this moment. So, let's have like a quick unpacking. Right, so this is, I've seen this in SM. Tapos, as a department store. I mean, something like this. Pero hindi ko pa siya binili agad. Even though I had the money that time, I told myself na, andyan pa yan. Tapos nung bibilin ko na siya, wala na siya and parang hindi na siya nag-restock ulit. So, I found kind of similar garment sa TikTok shop and let's open it. Okay, so this is, wow, ito siya din, this is malaki. It's a pamatong jacket. You see? OMG, sana hindi maliit sa akin. Parang maliit siya. Sukat natin. Okay ba yung kit, guys? Okay tayo.